Today I'm in Phong Nha in Vietnam, and I'm going to go for a 12 kilometers trek in the jungle. Then I'm gonna go explore one cave, and then it's going to be swimming in the underground river. As you can see, it's pouring out there, so I might be unable to take my footage with this camera, so I won't have a sound, so I'll just do all the videos of today with the GoPro.
Aside from my soul,
Alright, my first impression, guys. First of all, that's not that easy, and the way is very slippery. And then the thing is that I almost fell like 10 times, but this is really cool. And that's not every day that you're walking in the jungle, you know. So yeah, I think it's gonna worth it. So now next we're gonna be up to the swimming cave. Let's go.
there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Alright, here we are. We're gonna go swim in this cave, which is called Hidden Cave. It's pretty big. Let's go.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.
So after 30 minutes there, we came back. It was really cool to do that. He showed us some fossils, and then at one moment he asked us to switch off the light for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then we get completely lost in the cave. And he showed us the way how to get out, you know, how to manage it. It was really cool.
I think a fall angel just walked by.
So as you can see, we have to walk inside the river. The water is arriving like almost at my knees. But it's pretty cool actually. So right now we have like, I think 40 more minutes to walk before having lunch. So let's do it.
I think a fall angel just walked by. There goes a sight from my soul.
Alright, I just found a local shringam. Not bad. Tastes like mint.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight.
Alright, we are at the second cave. So in this one I'm gonna do some speleology. Let's go. So let's go now to explore the dark cave, which is also called the Hang Toy Cave here. Let's go. Right, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to see on the video, but there are like a lot of bats up there. It's pretty cool.
I think it's all angels just walked by. There goes a sight from my soul.
So apparently the thing gets complicated now, and I don't know if it was a good idea for me to bring my camera here.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from
Alright, we're just done with the Speleology. So it was really something amazing. That was my first time actually, and I really loved it. One time, like far in the cave, we have to switch off the light, and then we are in the total dark. I never have been in my life in the dark that deep. It's really something amazing. I'll advise this to everyone. Love it. Alright, so we're out of the Speleology, and right now we're gonna hike back for 1 hour and a half or 2 hours in the jungle. So let's go.
There goes a there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
That was the moment I was waiting for all day. Kanam patam.